We get turkey, we'll get deer.
Hey, I can show that deer.
Yeah. Turkey frenzy, man.
And turkey and deer will come back around here. I could have took that big deer and you have video of it.
What is going on with these turkey? I think they're on something. They all stopped. Look at them. They all stopped dead. They ain't moving. This turkey were acting kind of weird to me. I don't know what they were doing out there. I'm not much of a turkey hunter. I like to deer hunt. I really never turkey hunted. So I don't know a whole lot about turkeys. If anybody knows what they were doing, if you could leave me a comment and tell me what you think they're doing there. Playing or what they're doing. So, hey, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you'd like.